Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best loan product on Lendio for a startup. I've been there. Launching a startup is tough, and getting the right financing, especially without a long business history, feels like a maze. When I was looking for funding, I turned to Lendio because they connect you with multiple lenders, and I needed options. Here's the straight truth based on my experience and what I learned. For a true startup, meaning less than a year in business, you're often limited to three main categories through the Lendio marketplace, and the best product depends entirely on your needs. The first option you should look at is a business line of credit. For my first $10,000, this was a lifesaver. Why? Because as a startup, your needs are unpredictable. You might need $2,000 one month for software subscriptions and nothing the next. A line of credit is flexible. You only borrow what you need when you need it, and you only pay interest on the amount you've actually used. It's a great safety net for unexpected working capital needs and building a credit history for your business. The second product is a startup loan. Lendio specifically has loans targeted at newer businesses, often capped around $150,000. These are designed for those who can't meet the 2-year in business requirement for most traditional loans. The upside is they exist for businesses like ours. The downside? The interest rates can be higher, and you often need a strong personal credit score, at least 600, usually higher, and they almost always require a personal guarantee or collateral. I used a smaller one of these to purchase essential initial inventory because I needed a fixed sum for a specific purpose. The third viable option, if your startup is equipment heavy, is equipment financing. If you need a commercial oven, a vehicle, or specialized tech, this is often the easiest and fastest loan to secure. Why? Because the equipment you're buying serves as the collateral. The lender knows they can recover the asset if you default. I saw this work brilliantly for a friend's startup coffee shop. The funding was fast, sometimes in 24 hours, and the rates were reasonable because the loan was secured. So here's my takeaway. If you need flexible cash flow for daily operations, a business line of credit is likely your best bet. If you need a single, larger lump sum for a specific non-equipment purpose, explore the dedicated startup loan. If you're buying tangible assets, go straight for equipment financing. Remember, Lendio is a marketplace. The key is completing their single application and then comparing the best offers they match you with. Look at the APR, the repayment frequency, daily, weekly, or monthly, and the total cost of the loan before you sign anything. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.